Let's be honest. When you hear passive income in 2026, your mind jumps to one of two places. First, the online scam artist flashing a rented Lamborghini, promising you can make $10,000 a month overnight. It feels fake because it usually is. The second is the old money definition. Buying apartment buildings or having a stock portfolio so massive you can live off the dividends. For generations, that was a game reserved for the ultra-wealthy, a club most of us simply can't afford. But what if I told you both of those ideas are now dangerously outdated? That the entire landscape has shifted, creating a third path that almost no one is talking about realistically. Here's the first misconception we need to shatter. That passive income is about getting rich quick. The reality? It's about getting rich. It's not a lottery ticket. It's about building a small, automated business. Imagine a designer creates a digital planner once. They list it on an online marketplace, and for the next 3 years, it sells multiple times a day while they sleep. That's not a scam. That's a digital asset. Here's the second misconception, that you need a massive following or a huge upfront investment. The reality is that in the digital economy, niche expertise is the new currency. An accountant who creates a powerful budgeting spreadsheet for freelancers doesn't need 1 million followers. They just need to reach a few hundred freelancers who are desperate for that exact solution. The internet allows you to connect with them directly, with almost zero startup cost. Today, I'm going to give you the realistic, no-nonsense roadmap to building your first $1,000 per month in passive income, starting from absolute zero. No trust fund, no viral fame, just a clear, repeatable strategy. Because let's face it, we are living in a transition economy. The old way of trading every hour of your life for a paycheck is failing. That paycheck is being relentlessly eaten away by inflation. Your salary might go up 3%, but when your rent and groceries go up 10%, you are falling behind every single month. It's a rigged game. But there is a new way. It's about leveraging digital tools to create something of value and getting paid for it indefinitely. In this video, we're going to break down the exact strategies, from creating specialized digital products to building a content library that works for you 24/7. By the end, you won't just have vague ideas. You'll have a literal checklist to follow. We aren't chasing pennies. We are building a financial foundation, an income stream that protects you from economic uncertainty and gives you back your time. If you felt stuck working harder but never getting ahead, this is the clarity you've been looking for. This is your exit ramp. I actually took a 7-month break, a deep dive into researching what's working right now. I had to step back because I saw the entire get-rich-quick ecosystem, the one that dominated the last few years, collapsing under its own weight. The endless cycle of hype, empty promises, and low-effort content was creating massive audience burnout. The platforms were adapting, and the gold rush was officially over. So, I went silent, and I studied. I analyzed thousands of data points, from top-performing channels to those that had faded into obscurity, and a clear pattern emerged. Here's what I discovered. In 2026, the algorithm doesn't reward noise. It rewards substance. It's built on a framework I call the SAVC Method. Specificity, authority, visual value, and consistency. First, specificity. The days of being a generalist are numbered. The algorithm now prioritizes creators who serve a well-defined niche, solving a particular problem for a particular person. Second, authority. You don't need to be a world-renowned expert, but you must demonstrate credibility. This is built by showing your work, sharing case studies, and providing genuine, well-researched insights, not just repeating what everyone else is saying. Third, visual value. Production quality has become a baseline expectation. Your content must be visually engaging and easy to consume. This isn't about expensive gear. It's about thoughtful editing, clear graphics, and a clean presentation that respects your viewers' time and attention. And finally, consistency. This is the engine that drives everything. My research showed that creators who published high-quality content on a predictable schedule saw over 70% higher growth in their first year than those with sporadic posting habits. It's not about hype. It's not about noise. It's not, get rich quick. The opportunity now isn't chasing fleeting trends. It's about methodically building assets. Passive income isn't about chasing money first. It's about architecting systems. During my research, I found that the people actually winning weren't the ones with the loudest voices, but the ones with the most reliable systems. They were building what I call digital real estate. Think about it. Just like a physical building generates rent month after month, a well-crafted digital asset, like an automated YouTube channel, a high-value digital product, or an affiliate marketing system, pays dividends in the form of sales, leads, and ad revenue long after the initial work is done. When you stop chasing dollars and start building these systems, the money becomes an inevitable, predictable byproduct of the value you've created. Strategy number 1. Low barrier to entry. Let's start with the beginner model. Low barrier, low cost, and low risk. This is about building momentum and confidence without a huge upfront investment. We're talking about digital products. Forget massive courses or 200-page ebooks for now. Instead, focus on simple, high-value digital solutions like budget spreadsheets, checklists, step-by-step guides, or Notion templates. These are assets you create once and can sell infinitely. The path to your first $1,000 here is a simple 3-step plan. First, research a hyper-specific niche. Find a small, passionate group with a clear, urgent problem. Second, build a simple, elegant template or guide that solves that one problem. Use tools you already know, like Canva, Google Sheets, or Notion. Third, list and market your product on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, where your audience is already searching. Here's where most people fail. They create something generic. A generic budget planner gets lost in the noise. Instead, create a $50K salary budget plan for NYC single moms. Don't make a meal planner. Create a vegan meal prep planner for athletes. Don't offer a business plan. Offer a 14-day launch checklist for first-time Etsy sellers. Specificity builds trust and eliminates competition. When you solve a specific problem for a specific person, you become the only logical choice. Now let's look at the math. It's simpler than you think. If you sell a specialized planner for $40, you only need 25 sales in a month to hit your $1,000 goal. That's less than one sale a day. Is your product more of a quick win checklist? Price it at $20. Now you need 50 sales. That's entirely doable. This isn't about going viral. It's about being strategic and serving a dedicated audience that needs exactly what you've built. Now let's talk scale, because $1,000 per month is good, but systems grow. The scalable model is content plus compounding. Take YouTube, for example. Every video you upload becomes a permanent asset. It's monetized by ads, affiliates, and your own digital products. Let's say one video makes just $50 per month. If you have 20 videos, that's $1,000. If you have 100, that's $5,000. This is another scalable model, similar to dividend investing. You are creating income-producing assets, reinvesting dividends, and letting time multiply the results. Just like compound interest, your library of content grows in value the longer it exists. It's slow, it's strategic, and it's compounding. Most people fail for one reason: inconsistency. They start strong, but they stop at month 3. Passive income is boring in the beginning. You might make $12, then $38, then $75. It feels like it isn't working, so you quit right before the curve moves upward. The real secret sauce? An identity shift. Stop saying, "I'm trying to make money." Start saying, "I build income assets." Wealth isn't hype, it's discipline and long-term thinking. When you view yourself as an asset builder, a slow month doesn't discourage you. It just tells you the system needs a tweak. Don't be most people. Commit to the boring phase, because that is where the freedom is hidden. If you want the exact roadmap broken into a simple checklist you can follow step by step, comment the word plan below. I've put together a resource that takes everything we discussed today, the niches, the systems, and the math, and puts it into an actionable format. If you're serious about building assets, not just chasing income, subscribe. because this channel is about money mindset. Real systems, real strategy, real growth. We aren't here for the temporary flip. We are here to build something that lasts. Remember, $1,000 per month isn't the ceiling. It's the starting point. Once you prove the system works, all you have to do is turn the dial. I'll see you in the comments with your plan.